Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the RPC server is unavailable in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for services. Once you've typed that, wait for the best match to appear. So once it's here, click on open to continue. So here at the services, just click any of this system and service and type D in your keyboard and look for the COM server process launcher. Okay? Once you have that, do a right click, go with properties, and here under the startup type, make sure it is an automatic. Okay? Apply and then okay. Once done, click any again of the system and service and type R. Okay, and here you need to look for remote procedure call. Okay, do a right click, go with properties, and make sure again that the startup type is on automatic. Apply and then okay. Once done, proceed to the third, which is remote procedure call locator. Do a right click again, go with properties, and make sure it is an automatic. Once done, close this window. And let's proceed to our next step, which here at the bottom search bar again, type allow. Okay, and wait for the best match, which is allow an app through Windows Firewall would appear. Click on open to proceed. So the moment you've clicked on that, this allowed apps window would appear. Here you need to click on change settings. Once done, scroll down and look for remote assistance. This. Okay? So aligning that, make sure that under the public is checked and the private as well is checked. Okay? And click on OK to proceed. And there you go. Just have to check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it'll be fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.